Hey everyone, it's Tammy, and today I have an unboxing of Knit Crate. This is a yarn company that sends 2 skeins of yarn every month, and I think it's $25 for 2 skeins. So it's a pretty good deal because it's usually like higher end kind of yarn. But I already undid it, but I haven't peeked yet. So let's see. Ooh, oh goodness! So you always get something cute with it too, and this is a little hat. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I actually made something like this and did it as an ornament, but I didn't knit it. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I am loving it. That is adorable. I don't know if they... Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, so that's the little freebie this month. I don't know what we're supposed to do with it, but it's adorable. And the yarn, so there's 3 different colorways that you can get. And look, these are 2 different ones. How cool is that? Usually it's the same. So let's see. And they give you a book that has patterns in it. Ooh, look how pretty that cowl is. So the sock crate, so these are... The sock crate is Knitology Inclined Sock, and the membership crate, which is what this is the Knitology Worsted by Brooklyn Boy Knits. So it looks like this is, yeah, this is Brooklyn Boy Knits. Look how cool that, his little, oh, not advertisement, but his logo is. Cute. Okay, so let's see, what does it say? Brooklyn Boy Knits. So it tells you a little bit about him, which is cool. And so it looks like I got the Concrete Jungle and Bushwick. This is the natural. Excuse me. There's a Chill Out one, which is also cute, and an Energize Me, which is also cute. So you could pick any of those boxes and you would get whatever came in the box. So that's pretty cool. And then the sock yarn is the same, and looks like the choices this month, which I don't have, is either Ginseng, Olivia, or Cadet. And then they have patterns for both crochet and knitting that you can do. So it's kind of cool. I think I might have to do that one. The upside down cowl. So it's really cute, and this is really nice and cushy. It feels like it's DK maybe. Let's see. Worsted weight, 100% merino, 225 yards, and it says to use a US size 8 to 10 needle. So how cool. And I like that they coordinate but are different. That's kind of nice. How cool. I like it. All right, so that's what I got in Knit Crate this month. Teehee, I love the hat. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Happy knitting.